Have you ever tried cutting a millinery hat wire with any of these wire cutters and it's causing you to sweat, taking precious time to finish an order? No more again after this video. You will get to know the best millinery hat wire cutter to use that would cause you not to sweat, as well as save your time. And you know, time is money. Hello, my name is Nkechi from The Vent Craft, and I'm dedicated to showing you how to make different kinds of fascinators, tips and tricks, as well as various designs. Today is tip day. Here I have my millinery hat wire and two different types of cutters. One is the best, the other is from the group of other types I have tried that I just guess ain't for millinery hat wire. Join me. Let's cut out a small piece of hat wire with this yellow cutter. Okay, guess we'll try cutting a bigger piece. Nah, this is causing sweat and time, which is money. Let's move over to the other cutter. Let's try a small piece first. Larger piece. Oh my, really? There's a cutter that exists like this for millinery hat wire. No more sweat, no more wasting time. Yippee! For details on where to purchase this cutter, please check the description section of this video below. If you're joining me on my channel for the first time, please subscribe and click the notification bell button to avoid missing such great tips to help you with your fascinator craft. Also, do give me a thumbs up if you gained value from this video. Thanks for watching.